You know, there's kind of three focuses in the company. There's the office that supports the field, right? So in the office, we're doing the estimating, we're doing the contracts, we're doing the HR stuff, we're doing the scheduling, very important. Then we have the second focus is the yard. The yard's job is to keep, we have mechanics, we have dispatchers, we have
Painters.
Yard guys, we have painters. Their job is to keep the equipment ready and the tooling ready and the materials available for the third group, which
And
is
environmentally clean.
and environmentally clean. And the third group is the field guys, and they're like the basketball team. You know, there's 3 to 5 guys out there. There's a point guard, he's the foreman, and then you got your scorer, he's the driller, he's the guy making the baskets.
Yeah,
and
good
so
analogy.
there's a well coordinated group of people out in the field. So, you know, kind of 3 focuses. You got the office that keeps the contracts and the work going. You've got the yard that keeps everything ready for the work, and then you got the guys out there actually doing the work.